Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Pinterest account. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and click in View Profile. Click in Edit Profile in the middle there. And then on the left hand side, click on your account management. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find a section for language. Mine is currently set to English, but if I want to change that, simply click the drop down there and choose a different language of my choice. So if I want Espanol, I select that, and then from here I click on save. If at any point in time I want to change this, I just need to go back to the settings there and basically do the same. Here you can see that it's now in Spanish. If I want to change this, as I mentioned, just scroll down to where it says the language, find the language of my choice. I'm going to choose English US again and click on the save there, and you will see in a moment that it's now translated back into English. So if you're looking to change the language of your Pinterest account, this is the steps to do it. Go ahead and find your language of your choice and go ahead and click save afterwards. And that's it, guys.